Want to protect your Instagram account, save data, and grow faster in 2025? Then you must update these 7 Instagram settings right now before it's too late. Let's walk through each one step by step. The first setting to update is your apps and websites connections. Tap your Instagram profile in the bottom right-hand corner. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. Now tap on Settings. From there, tap Security. Then select Apps and Websites. You'll see tabs for active, expired, and removed apps. Under Active, you'll find any third-party websites or apps currently connected to your account. If you see anything you don't recognize or no longer use, make sure to remove it immediately. These connections could have access to your data or activity. Next, it's time to turn on two-factor authentication for added security. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Security, and choose two-factor authentication. Instagram offers 2 options, text message or an authentication app, which is recommended. When this is turned on, Instagram will require a code whenever someone tries to log in from an unrecognized device. This helps protect you from hackers guessing your password. You'll also see recovery codes listed, save those somewhere safe. They'll help you log back in if you lose your phone or can't receive a code. Now let's talk about data saver settings, perfect for saving mobile data. Head back to Settings, tap Account, then scroll down to Cellular Data Use or Mobile Data Use. Here, turn on Data Saver. This setting limits how much data Instagram uses when loading videos or images, especially helpful if you're on a limited plan. If you're serious about growing your Instagram or running a business, you should switch to a professional account. From your settings, go to Account, then scroll down and tap Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will guide you through selecting your category, whether you're a content creator, public figure, or business. You'll also choose whether to display the category on your profile. Then you'll pick between a creator or business account. Once you're done, you'll unlock extra tools like Insights and Promotions, which help track how your content performs and how people interact with your page. Now, let's cover how to restrict an account without blocking someone. If there's someone you don't want to see content from but don't want to fully block them, go to their profile. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and choose Restrict. Instagram will explain what happens. Their comments on your posts will only be visible to them, and you won't receive notifications from them. If you change your mind later, just go back to their profile, tap the 3 dots again, and choose Unrestrict. Next up, live video notifications. If you follow a lot of people, your phone might be blowing up every time someone goes live. To fix this, go to Settings, then Notifications, and choose Live and IGTV. Tap Live Videos, then choose Off to stop receiving those alerts. And if you only want to be notified when your favorite creators go live, check the link in the video description. I've included a full tutorial for that. Finally, let's make sure your stories are saved automatically. Swipe right to open the Instagram Stories camera. Tap the Settings icon in the top left corner, then go to Story. Scroll down and enable Save Story to Gallery or Save Story to Archive. This way, anything you post to your stories will be backed up, no need to re-download it later. And that's it. These 7 Instagram settings will instantly boost your security, save you data, and help you grow faster. Let me know in the comments, which one are you turning on first? If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more Instagram and tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.